Good morning. This is Old Town Road for the bucket drum for Smyer Elementary School. All right, so we're going to start off with our A rhythm pattern, which is going to be ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta. And we're going to play all of that on the top of the bucket drum. So all that is at the very top of the drum. Ready? Down, up, A theme, here we go. Ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, and then you do a lasso. And then we do that twice. Ready? I'm sorry, I'm doing a bad job of explaining this. So you do that rhythm 3 times, and then you do a lasso, and then you do that rhythm 3 times, and then you do a lasso. Ready? Down, up, A theme, here we go. Lasso. Ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, lasso. All right, the next theme, the B theme, is TT click. So what we're doing is we're going to play TT on the head of the drum, and then you're going to step to your left and click. So it'll sound like this. TT click, TT click, TT click, TT click. So we're going to do that same rhythm pattern 8 times. So you're going to go to your left 4 times and to your right 4 times. So here we go. Down, up, here it is. TT click, 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 TT click. All right, our next thing that we're gonna do is the C theme, and this one is ticka tee ta, ticka tee ta. So we're gonna play on the side of the drum. So we're gonna play side, 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 top, side, 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 top. And we play this rhythm 8 times. It'll sound like this. So let's play it together. This is the C theme. Ready? Down, up, C theme. Here we go. There we go. So if we go from the beginning, it'll be A theme, B theme, C theme, and then we repeat the A theme. So we're going to do all of that together. Ready? Down, up, starting at the A theme. Ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta, and lasso. Ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta, and lasso. Now's the B theme. TT click, 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 TT click. All right. Oh, the C theme. I'm sorry. Ticka ticka top, ticka tee 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 top. Now back to the A theme. Ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, and lasso. Ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, and lasso. All right, the very last part of this is what's called the coda, and so it's going to start off with a ticka tee. So sorry, it's T ticka top click, T ticka top click. So the rhythm, if I was to say it, is T ticka tee ta, T ticka tee ta. So it'd be side, 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 top click, side, 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 top click, side, 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 top click, side, 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 top click. All right, ready? Down, up, coda 8 times. and that's the end of the piece. So once you get to the very end, you hit a pose, and that's all, you're done, okay? So I'm gonna try to play the recording in a different video because I'm using my phone to record right now. So I'll have to use my computer at home. So you'll get to play with the music tomorrow. So let's do it one more time with just our rhythms all the way through Old Town Road. There's 16 counts of rest at the beginning, so we pretend to play the guitar. Ready? Down, up, here's Old Town Road. So it'll be rest, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Tick-a-tick-a-top, 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 and lasso. Tick-a-tick-a-top, 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 and lasso. Now the B. D, D, click. 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 Now C. Tick-a-dee-ta, 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 tick-a-tick-a-ta, 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 and lasso. Tick-a-tick-a-ta, 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 and lasso. Now the coda. T, tick-a-ta, click. And pose. All right, so I will attach the music to this video. So if you think you've got it, you can play it with the music. There's that 16-beat intro, and then you start playing on the melody. And it's the marching band version, because hopefully one day we'll play this with the marching band. So good luck to you, and I hope you listen to this whole video twice so that you can learn to play everything. Have a good day.